Just a few miles outside of Sulphur Wells, Kentucky, there's a huge sinkhole that's been used as a garbage dump for years. So here I find myself, descending into a virtual litter bug hell.
I'm in a sinkhole, and I'm sinking. And this is Thor. All right, brother.
Welcome down.
Nice to see you.
That's good to see you, too.
Where am I exactly?
You're in the bottom of a sinkhole, which is, unfortunately, a pretty dirty sinkhole.
All right, so we're down here in a sinkhole. Does this sinkhole have an actual name?
It probably does, and I wish I could tell it to you.
That's a long, slow way of telling me you have no idea.
That's right.
All right. How many sinkholes like this would you say are in the county?
There are countless sinkholes in the county. In this area where we are, sinkholes open up all the time. If I give you a number now, it'll be different. Give it a couple of months.
The sinkhole that we're cleaning today is over 100 feet wide and 75 feet deep. Thor is among volunteers working with the American Cave Conservation Association. It's been responsible for cleaning 25 of these dumps since 1987.
All right. So the short version is you are literally hauling this stuff out with a cable pulley. What is that, block and tackle type system?
Sort of. It's a Tyrolean is what it is.
A Tyrolean?
Yeah, we've got the rope stretched between 2 points, and the rope itself actually holds another rope, which is the haul line that goes up.
Gotcha. All right, so if we don't do that, obviously, then we're just lumbering around, picking this stuff up barehanded and humping it up there, and that's no way to go. Man, people throw out all sorts of stuff, don't they? Is a realistic goal today to get everything down here out?
You know, I don't think we could ever get everything out, but we want to make a huge dent in it. We want to get the larger things out because that's what we've got the haul line set up for.
We have tires, we have plastics, we have unidentifiable electronics. I think that's a bathtub up there, a washing machine, and a giant stump.
It's almost like you're ready to move in down here, huh?
Well, except for the stump.
Except for the stump.
Depending, of course, on your decorating taste, not being one to judge. What the heck do I know? Should this be in here, or you want to deal with this?
Yeah, let's go ahead and put that in here.
Whatever it is.
Once the polywoven bags are filled up and secured,
Stick that one through.
we'll let the guys at the top know that it's ready.
Yeah, can we get a little tension down here on the haul line, please? Thank you.
Give me a minute.
Give me that. We got tension. All right.
Okay, stop. Now that we have, we've got tension on the haul line.
Yes.
Now we need to get out of here. If it falls, it's going that way. So if it falls, it'll either fall here or somewhere along this line. So if we go up here,
Let's go up there.
it'll be safe.
We're going up here where it's safe. You should come too.
The trash bag's pulled up to the top, where it'll be hauled by a waiting bobcat to a garbage bin. Metal and plastics are separated from the trash to recycle, and then the rope is sent back to pick up more stuff.
All right.
I should have paid better attention on the first one. This comes off down this
Comes
guy.
off, and yeah,
We're all
put it
down
on
here.
Put it on right here onto that one. And two. All right. And before we haul, pull it up, and we take a look at it. And does it look good? Looks pretty good to me. How about you?
Well, sure.
Okay.
I mean, at a glance, it appears to be somewhat tangled, but I'm sure it'll be fine. You ever go up in a bag?
Not yet. I've wanted to.
Who wouldn't? Our objective is this. It's an old bathtub. Antique. This is Diane. How you doing?
Good, how are you?
I'm all right, thanks. So, I guess we rig it. I don't know who you are. What's your name?
Micah.
Micah. Mike, how are you, man?
Doing pretty well.
Good. What's the plan? Is it
Sometimes when you have heavy items, you have to poke a hole in them. In this case,
we got a drain?
we got a drain. Hole already made. So what we're going to do here is we're going to hopefully get this webbing threaded through the hole here. And then hopefully we'll be able to then haul it out.
All right. Yeah.
Chopsticks.
I didn't know. Yeah, exactly. I didn't know you could use chopsticks. So
Well, I can't. Let's see.
can you see it?
Okay, hold on.
There you got it. Oh,
Crap.
Okay. There we go.
voila.
Look at that.
Nice. Okay. Now, before you throw that
Away?
away,
Yes.
we need to at least wrap it around one more time.
Oh. Thanks, Micah.
No problem.
Okay.
Oh, that was great.
Oh, yeah.
First try.
Like a surgeon. All right. going to tie a type of knot here.
A type of knot?
Called a follow-through.
Oh, the old follow-through.
The old follow-through.
You buying this? Honestly, Thor, what are you doing?
I have no idea.
We're all going to learn something when an 800-pound tub comes flying down in this sinkhole like a porcelain dart. We can stop back.
It's not going to be pretty.
That's all right.
I'm sure a bunch of my caver friends are going to be making complaints, but I really don't care at this point.
Don't worry. We'll never use any of this.
Now, see how pretty that is? Look at that.
It's a beautiful
knot.
It's a beautiful knot. It really is.
Now this is ready to go. Now let's give this a shove, and keep in mind that it might come toward you.
Well, we're pulling it toward us, right?
It might come toward you.
So confidence is high.
Confidence is high. All right, there we go.
And there's what a surprise.
There's not like there's no body under here, is there?
No,
That'd totally kill our show. Holding on tight with this.
You're holding on to that one.
Let me get
I want you
up here
to
so my
wrap
leg
that one
doesn't
around your body so that just around the other side.
So it could yank me with it into oblivion.
Not all the way around your body. Just stick that end around the back. That's good.
All right.
Very slow haul, please. Very slow, very slow, very slow.
Oh my God.
I can't remember the last time I had this much fun in a tub.
When it gets near the end, give it a sharp whip.
I will yank my rope with alacrity upon your signal.
Get it. There you go. Good job.
Good job.
All right. So we got a tub. We're going to go get a washing machine and a dryer. By the end of the day, we'll have ourselves a whole kitchen, bathroom. It'll be great. People are pigs. What's the matter with people?
That's as front.
Our next job was to get this washing machine out. Only problem, we didn't have rope long enough to reach it. But that didn't stop us.
Push.
For a nominal fee, Thor will come by your house, help you move the appliances. Got him?
I've got him.
Okay, slow haul. Okay, now let's get out of the way here.
Right?
Go on, yeah, behind me there.
Thor?
Yeah.
Watch your back. Watch your back. Watch your back.
Got
Mike, that over there is going to be the safer place. When this actually clears this,
Yeah.
we'll want to be over there.
Why is it safer over there than here?
Because if there was a rock that was dislodged from where we're going to pull that over, it's going to fall right where you are.
Rock. Well, Chris Whiteneck, it's been a pleasure working with you. So our washing machine is making its way topside, where it will be thrown into a truck and taken off to a proper dump. The work here, meanwhile, will continue this dirty job. Well, there's my crew, as you can see from my fancy point of view camera currently attached to the side of my head, rigged to my backpack, 65 pounds of what I believe to be largely unnecessary weight. Jerry, how are you?
I'm doing good today.
Lovely to see you again. Apparently, and correct me if you don't share this sentiment, but the only thing I hate worse than a litter bug is a lazy, incompetent litter bug. And it just seems like a lot of people who have come here over the years to dump their crap in the sinkhole haven't even made it, as some of it stuck to the side.
Yep.
When people can't even competently litter anymore, I really feel as though as a society we've come into a weird place.
I would agree with that.
Jerry and I are going to rappel down the side to pick up the litter that the inconsiderate pigs have left here over the decades. And then what are we going to do with it?
We're going to throw it down to the bottom of the pit so it can be picked up into the bags later on and hauled out.
Don't ever throw anything in a cave, all right? Thank you. Safety, obviously, is a key concern here. Is there anything you'd like to share with me now that might scare the hell out of me?
First off, are you allergic to poison ivy?
I don't know.
We'll find out.
All right, 2.
Second is the rocks. As we're going over the edge, we're going to have a rope up above us. And as we're swinging around trying to get to this trash while we're locked off on the rope,
Yeah.
rocks could potentially fall.
I am allergic to rocks hitting me in the face.
I think we all are.
This I'm sure of. All right? Anything else?
Falling.
Okay. Poison ivy, rocks in the face, falling.
Actually, the falling won't hurt you.
You're going to say
It's the sudden stop at the bottom.
Yeah. All right, Jared, let's go do a rim job.
Let's do it. We are now good to go.
All right.
Knees shaking yet?
No, I'm good. But this is my shooting hand.
All right, Mike.
Yeah.
I guess you can go down over there. I'm gonna go right through here. You've got a fence to untie and some metal, and I'm gonna untie or undo all this stuff right here and throw it down the pit.
Okay. Yeah, that's poison ivy. There's poison ivy everywhere up here. It's perfect. You want me to go around these trees this far away?
Yes.
All right. Oh, man. This backpack is so convenient.
You may actually have to get down on your knees to get under that one.
I just might have to say a prayer while I'm down here. All right, now I'm looking for any trash I see of any kind.
Any trash you see.
A bottle? Rock. Rock. Stupid litter bugs. Damn rotten dirty pigs. Jeez, God. How high are we, by the way?
Oh, what's it, 20 feet?
Man,
Maybe twice?
I'm still not to the point where I completely trust the rope, am I?
Never.
You look pretty damn trusting right there, I gotta tell you.
It's all for show.
I am absolutely crapping my pants, I don't mind telling you. This is terrible. Horrifying. Absolutely horrifying. Oh, oh, gee.
Like I said, rocks are gonna come from everywhere on this. All right, Mike, when we get down, when we've got all the garbage off of here, let's go ahead and lock our racks off,
Yeah?
and they're gonna feed rope down to us that we can lower all the way to the bottom.
Great. We just did all this for 5 pieces of trash?
We gotta get it all.
God. Okay.
Get to where you can get comfortable.
I haven't been comfortable since I met you, Jerry.
Coming right under the fall zone.
Oh, all right. I won't move too much. Oh, man, that fence is still there. There's more fence. Oh, I gotta get that.
I thought you got it all.
I thought I did, too. Oh, man. Can I go after it?
Go after it.
Okay, Mike, I've got you on belay.
You promise?
Absolutely.
All right, I gotta get over there, Thor. So,
All right.
Little slack.
Slack.
Rock! God!
Thank you.
Bless America, Thor! Get the hell out of there! Jeez! I think we missed the boy by half an inch.
You all right, Thor?
All good.
Man, you move well for a Norse god. Thor, you got me? All right, I'm going for this fence. I just need a little slack.
I got you.
Well, our job on this slope's done. We're ready to go on down.
All right. Going on down sounds like a great idea. I'm having a hard time standing up straight.
Well, it's all downhill from here.
Great. Want to race? I'm kidding.
Good job.
I think you've landed in all the trash you threw down.
I think you're right. I'm just gonna lay on this really expensive camera gear in the hope that I somehow smash it so badly it can never be used again. That was exciting. Very exciting stuff. Thanks.
And we are out of here.
All across the country are caves and sinkholes that once upon a time were pure and pristine. Now people have turned them into sewers and dumps. Fortunately, other people are coming together to clean them up. And that's kind of a happy ending to a dirty job.